Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. So I know guys that screen flickering can be really annoying, but no worries. There are several things you can try to fix it and I'll walk you through the steps. So first, restart the phone. I know it sounds simple, but a simple restart can resolve a lot of issues, including flickering screens. So try and restart it by holding the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now click restart and tap again to restart the phone. So I'll see you guys once the phone is restarted. So now if the issue still persists on your device, then go over to the settings and try to update your software if you're not running the latest version. Click download and install, and here it will check automatically for the updates. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version, so if there's an update available, download and install it and check if the issue is resolved afterwards. But if it's not, then what you guys can do is adjust the screen brightness. So leave the settings, go back to the display, and here change the brightness. Now also make sure to disable the adaptive brightness and the extra brightness. And now what you guys can do is disable or adjust the power saving mode on your device. So leave the setting, now go over to battery. Here make sure that power saving is disabled, or simply try and disable all of those settings here. Now after that, what you guys can do is try to disable hardware overlays. It's in the developer options. So first go over to the about phone section. Now here go to software information and now click on the build number. As you guys can see, I'm already a developer, but you need to click 7 times to unlock it. So now go over to the developer options right at the bottom, and now here search for the hardware overlays. So now I won't find it like that, so I'll try to find it in here. So now we are in the hardware accelerated rendering, and now here we will have this setting. It's called disable HW overlays, and you guys can try and enable it, but if it's not working for you, then disable it and disable the developer options. Now check for third-party apps causing issues. So basically try and force stop any recently installed or suspect apps, and then test if the flickering stops. You can also try uninstalling recently installed stops one by one, and if the issue started after installing new software, then you know where to find it. So now here we will have the soft reset. So go over to the about phone. Now scroll down until you see reset, and here scroll down until you see reset all settings. It won't delete your data, it will leave everything here. As you guys can see, it will just delete mobile network settings, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the accessibility. So now after resetting, if it doesn't help you, then you can try and use factory reset as a last resort. So basically don't leave it just yet, click factory data reset. Here scroll down until you guys see reset. Now draw your pattern, enter your password, or simply skip it if you do not have one, and then click delete all. Now if it's still not working, then check for hardware issues, because it's best to contact Samsung support or visit the authorized service center for more professional diagnosed, and it could be a faulty display connector or another internal hardware problem. So I don't know, it's up to you guys, whatever they tell you at the Samsung support. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.